I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Midland ER310 emergency radio. Chalk it up to paranoia or the fact that I live in earthquake country, but I've recently been bolstering my emergency supplies. Browsing through an emergency prep guide on the Wirecutter, I came across this radio as a clear standout pick and something I didn't have anything like. What you get is this relatively light plastic brick with a ton of features, all of which can be run from an included rechargeable battery that you can recharge from the sun using the built-in solar panel, or by cranking it, or with a USB charging input. AA batteries can also be used as an alternative. The rechargeable battery is rated at 32 hours. For features, you get an AM/FM radio plus a National Weather Service radio band that can tell you about current and upcoming weather conditions. With that, you also get a weather alarm that you can turn on that's tied to the weather service. So if a weather alert goes out, this thing sounds an alarm. There's a nice sturdy antenna here that gets good reception. I also like that there's a bright Cree brand LED flashlight on one side, which is also powered by the rechargeable battery. It has 2 brightness settings and an SOS flash mode. Below that, there's this ultrasonic dog whistle, which you activate with a long press of the flashlight button. You can't hear it, but if it works, it's supposed to help rescue teams locate you. Finally, on the other side, you also have a USB output, so you can use the radio's battery to recharge other things, like your phone. There's also a headphone output if you want to be able to listen to the radio without bothering anyone else. All in all, it feels like a well-constructed, well-thought-out device. I keep mine set up in the window so it stays charged, and I sleep better knowing that I have it. For me, that's $60 well spent. You can pick one up using the link in the description, and remember, you can see thousands of reader-recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.